Hello everybody, this is Deepak and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Colors of Indian Kitchen. So guys, I have got so many requests to make some veg recipe, to try something on veg. Today we are going to try out a recipe which is really famous in Italian cuisine and European cuisines. But it is really famous in India as well now. We are talking about pasta. We are going to try out a veg pasta recipe called white sauce pasta. So guys, come with me into the kitchen and let's start cooking together. So for the white sauce pasta, we have taken small cut pastas, around 1.5 cup, some diced capsicum, green capsicum, some carrots, 1 or 1.5 carrots into small pieces. We'll require all-purpose flour. We have taken in veggies, we have taken broccoli. Half of the broccoli it's finely chopped. We have taken 3 to 4 small onions, few garlics and little bit of salt. We'll require milk for the sauce preparation. So the first step is to boil the water and add our pasta so that the pasta will get really soft and it will get all the texture, moisture and all the flavors while we are mixing the white sauce. To give it a little bit of saltness, we'll add little bit of salt, and to make it little bit of, and we are adding little bit of oil also so that it will make the pasta little bit more softer and smoother. Now the water is completely boiled, so we are going to add our complete pasta in this, and the timing should be very important in this. We will wait for 5 to 7 minutes exactly, and we will check after 5 minutes to confirm if the pasta is really cooked. You can use it through your hand, you can use fork, however you want to check it. We'll turn the flame off and we'll drain off the extra water in the pasta, and we are ready to fry the veggies. The second stage is to fry the veggies. So we have put 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons as per your preference oil. Add the garlics into the oil. Put the onions, chopped onions in the oil. And here you can use actually any veggies. I have used broccoli and carrot and capsicum. But you can actually add a variety of veggies in your pasta as per your likings. So you can use red bell peppers or yellow bell peppers also. Now we'll just give it a little bit of stir, little bit of fry, just to saute it. The veggies should get enriched in the oil, and we will add little bit of salt in this so that it will get little bit of saltness, nothing more. That is the second step. We'll fry it for few more minutes and it will be done. The third step will come once this frying part is done. The third step is to make the white sauce, as the recipe is white sauce pasta. Now we can see that the veggies have turned little bit of soft and looking little bit of enriched in the moisture. So we will remove it from the pan. We'll start making our white sauce for the pasta. For making white sauce, 2 important ingredients are required. First is milk. Second is all-purpose flour. Why we are making mixing flour in our milk? Simple reason, we want to make it little bit thick. Obviously the pasta will be little velvety, so you can either use butter, or if you are too much diet conscious, you can use a little bit of oil. For my own preferences, I have used butter. I really like it more velvety. So we will melt the butter in the pan. We'll add our all-purpose flour first and get a mixture of butter and all-purpose flour. It will become little bit solid while mixing it, and once it becomes so, we'll go on adding the milk into the pan so that all the flavors will be absorbed by the milk, and it will give a nice mixture which will be used later for pasta. So now you can see, keep on stirring it unless there is no lump, the mixture is completely fluid mixed with butter. Now we are adding our milk. You can add milk as per the consistency of the recipe required. If you want it little bit more liquid, you can add 2 more cups or 1 more cup of milk. Here I don't want my pasta to be too much of liquid, too much of gravy, too much of sauce. I don't want it, so we are adding little bit. I have added little bit of thyme. For these things you can add thyme, you can add rosemary, up to you. It is just only for giving it a little bit of more flavors. I really like it when it has all the flavors. You can add little bit of crushed cardamom also, up to you how preferable you are up for the smell, everything you are up to. Okay, so now our pasta sauce is quite ready, and we are going to mix our veggies into the sauce, and we'll give it a little bit of boil so that the veggies will be absorbed into the milk. The milk is already having all the flavors of butter, all-purpose flour. I have mixed thyme. You can actually try rosemary. So these things, you just give it a little bit of boil, cover it sometimes if you require, or just boil it. And once it gets the boil, we'll mix our pasta in that. Pasta is already smooth. It is already looking very nice and velvety. We have added our pasta. The third step is done. Now fourth step is just waiting. We'll just keep on stirring and we'll wait until unless the pasta has already soaked all of the flavors, all of the white sauce that we had made. It will absorb after all this, and then it will be completely ready to be served. So now we have covered the lid. We'll wait for this to be done. We will wait for the pasta to absorb the milk, absorb the pasta sauce. And now after 5 minutes or so, we see that pasta is actually cooked. It has taken up all the moisture, all the sauce. We have served it in a serving plate. The veggies are cooked nice. It looks really yummy. The pasta has taken all the flavors. Please try this recipe at your home and let us know how it has come out. Please share your feedbacks in the comment section. And yes, thank you for watching.